We're in Coronado Island in San Diego. I think over there, their famous hotel where Marilyn Monroe shot the movie Someone Like It Hot. We probably go see it. First of all, we want to go eat something. Really hungry right now. So let's see what we have here. There's a lot of places to eat here, so let's look around first.
نروح لعندك ومن عندك نروح لاسكندريه.
Huh?
Okay, thank you.
Deli here. Barbecue place is closed, right?
Mana doon ikan? Marat na doon.
Framed a frame and gave it to their mother for Mother's Day.
Pizza?
My daughter had a project in school.
Pizza? Are you? Hey. This is really awesome here. This is my first time actually, anyway.
I bring the kids in the game playing water.
We actually did that on, yeah, here, right?
Yeah.
Long Beach or something. We did the same thing.
Oh, yeah.
Rent the cycle thing.
Oh, yeah. You can rent it. There's a place right here.
You can come and swim here, fish here. That's the ferry to where we were at on the previous video. You can take the ferry or you can drive and park. I mean, it's so.
Some people go to Vegas, you know, they do
Before you spend.
Yeah. Now it's Rio is
Rio's.
yeah.
The best one is Caesars, but it's like $70.
The baklava, what is it?
Bacchanal.
Yeah.
But you can get a Groupon, and if you go Monday through Thursday, it's only $35. Yeah, that's what we do. Yeah. These are worth the money. Yeah. Be on the bus next. Let's go across right here.
What? Not like in Sri Lanka, nobody tried to pass you. This one? Okay, this is the place. We'll go check it out.
I think,
Well, there's power up. fruits. Oh, this is truffle, right? Passion fruit.
That's Hotel Coronado right there. We're gonna check that out. Wow, this is it's a really nice beach. So, one last time, Coronado Island. Pretty nice, obviously, if you wanted to spend a day over here. I'm gonna end the video right here. This is unexpected. We weren't planning to come here. Anyway, great area again. I mean, if you come to San Diego and you want to spend a couple of days, you have a lot of things to do. You never go wrong. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll meet up in another one coming pretty soon. Okay, have a nice day.